So this is my first attempt at filming myself making some food. So as I said earlier, that I really like that website Gina. It's Linda's low carb menus and recipes, but it's GENAW.com. I will include the link for this recipe. I think I can do that, even though it's not mine, right? I mean, I'm giving her some advertisement, but anyway, her recipes are fabulous. But I'm making the broccoli salad, so I just wanted to kind of share everything. So it was one of those lovely recipe making days where I had exactly enough broccoli. It takes about 1 pound of broccoli. It says 1 bunch, but I bought 2 heads of broccoli, and it was like exactly a pound. So you have a pound of broccoli, and you use 2.5 ounces of red onion and 4 ounces of cooked bacon and a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. Sunflower kernels is what those are. And then 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, and I like to use this kind because then it doesn't have anything weird in it. And then 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and I used about 8 drops of the liquid stevia, or you could also use 2 tablespoons of Splenda. So I'm just mixing up the dressing right now. It's a super easy recipe, and like I said, it's so great for traveling. I just make it and then put it in little containers, and then I can have it for lunch with something every single day. So I'm just mixing this up. And I mean, it's super duper easy. So you just mix the mayo, the vinegar, and the Splenda. And now I'm going to throw in the onions into the broccoli, shake it up, and then I'm going to pour my dressing over this. Yummy. Actually, let me grab my spatula really quick. And I'm back with my spatula, which actually just today, I don't know if this bothers you as well, but I hate scooping out mayonnaise with a spoon. I hate when it gets all over like your hand. So I used this today for the first time. Should have thought about that before, because it definitely was so much better. Love these spatulas. So anyway, you just mix it up, and then I'm just gonna add the bacon in a second, and the sunflower kernels, and that's it. And I think, yeah, I usually put it into 6 servings, and then the nutritional information is it's about 362 calories. It is 33 grams of delicious fat, so it keeps you nice and full, 11 grams of protein, and then 4 grams of net carbs. So it's a really good salad. I haven't made it for a while, so I just threw in that bacon, and now I'm going to throw in the kernels. So it has like a little bit of a crunch to it, and like I said, it will travel with me in my cooler. So I think for lunch, most of the days while I'm there, I'm going to have this, and then pulled pork. So we buy the pulled pork at Sam's. I don't know, I think it's just the Members Mark pulled pork. I don't know. I threw out the lid. But anyway, it's so super easy. And you just microwave it for like 6 minutes on high. So I think, I have to double check my macros, but I'm going to have a serving of this, and I think probably about 3 ounces of that pulled pork every day for lunch. What's nice about this salad is it's quite high in fat, so I can have my meat that I have with it doesn't have to be something quite so high in fat, and that pulled pork isn't as high as like bacon or something. So Anyway, that's my plan. And what's nice too about this salad is kind of the longer it sits, the better it tastes, because then all the flavors kind of meld. So I think I'm going to divide it up into 6, because it's not like it's like 6 cups, it's just 6 servings, so you kind of have to like divide it up first. So that's what I'm going to do, is divide it into my servings and then make my lunches. I bought my new Tupperware today that I bought has 2 compartments, so I will put salad on one side and pulled pork on the other. And that's going to be awesome. So I will show you more of my vacation food preparation shortly. Thank you.